Let's start by understanding Viagra, or as scientists call it, sildenafil. This little blue pill, as it's often referred, has been a game changer in men's health since its introduction in the late 90s. But how does it work exactly? Imagine a bustling city with cars zipping down highways, buses chugging along their routes, and pedestrians crossing streets. Now replace that city with the human body, the cars and buses with blood cells, and the highways and routes with blood vessels. Viagra essentially works as a traffic controller, directing the flow of blood where it's needed most, in this case the penile region. It does this by targeting an enzyme called PDE5, which can sometimes restrict blood flow. When Viagra enters the scene, it inhibits this enzyme, allowing blood to flow more freely, resulting in an erection. But is this traffic controller safe for older men? The short answer is yes. However, as with any medication, there are considerations to keep in mind. Age, for one, can affect how the body metabolizes Viagra. It's generally observed that the body's metabolic rate slows down with age, meaning the effects of Viagra could last longer in older men compared to their younger counterparts. Another important point to consider is the dosage. The standard starting dose for Viagra is 50 milligrams. However, for older men, especially those over 65, a lower starting dose of 25 milligrams may be recommended. This is due to the slower metabolic rate we talked about earlier. It's always best to start with a lower dose and adjust as necessary under the guidance of a healthcare professional. So to sum up, Viagra works by improving blood flow to the penile area, helping men achieve and maintain an erection. It's generally safe for older men to use, but the dosage may need to be adjusted based on age and metabolic rate. Remember, every individual is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. Now you're armed with the knowledge of how this little blue pill works and how it can be safely used by older men. Remember, it's not just about the physical aspect. Feeling confident and maintaining a healthy, intimate life can significantly impact one's overall well-being, and Viagra can be a helpful tool in achieving that. Knowledge is power, and understanding how Viagra works is the first step in making informed decisions about your health. Stay informed, stay healthy,